Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me this week. So this week I'm going to be talking about creating and designing authentic performance tasks for mathematics. So if you're interested in this topic, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about how to design and create authentic performance assessment tasks in mathematics. And I'm just going to try and give some simple, straightforward steps to get us started in case you're just starting to create authentic performance tasks for mathematics. So authentic performance tasks normally address a situation or a context. And I love to use the graphs model for designing an authentic performance task. But before I actually delve into the GRASPS model by understanding by design, Wiggins and McTighe, I want to talk about the point of authenticity. So for a scenario to be authentic or a performance task to be authentic, the late, great Grant Williams in 1998 said that an authentic task requires some kind of judgment, some kind of innovation, and it asks students to engage with the content of the subject area. So that means that we choose some topics in mathematics and students actually engage with that content. As an example, it could be looking at ratios and proportions and linear functions as an example. And that is going to be the content that's addressed in an authentic performance assessment task. So Grant Wiggins also said that authenticity should involve replicating a situation in where adults are tested. And that could be in the workplace, in civic, or in their personal life. And so that context should simulate something that we as humans face in our personal life, professional life, in civic life, or in society. And the authentic performance task should assess the student's ability to effectively and efficiently use a repertoire of knowledge and skills to negotiate a complex task. An authentic performance task should give lots of opportunities for students to be able to rehearse and to be able to practice their different skills, but also give them the opportunity to improve their understanding as they're going through that authentic performance assessment task. So they're the kind of points that I wanted to address in terms of authenticity based on the ideas from the late, great Grant Wiggins. Now, if we're actually designing an authentic performance mathematics task, I love to use the GRASP model. So GRASPS. G is like the goal. What is your actually goal of the task? R is the role of the students. Then we have A is the audience that the students are actually designing for. Then we have S, which is the situation or the context. P is the product or the performance. And then S involves the success criteria or the standards that you're going to use to design this task. Now, I think sometimes it's a little bit difficult to try and think of a context from thin air. You can look at different resources in different contexts and you can kind of tweak them and create an authentic performance task. So I was working with a wonderful department and we were looking at a lovely task from one of the MYP Oxford University Press books, and it was about designing a heat bag. The students could choose different three-dimensional shapes. It was based on a geometry topic. That was actually the content it was addressing. And we fit the design of the heat bag into the GRASS model and then started modifying some student instructions to provide as a guide for students. And so we can actually look at any resources from a textbook or for problems that you have in mathematics and try to adapt and modify them into a GRASPS topic. And next week, I'll be showing you a specific example of how we do that. So if you have any other questions about how to design an authentic performance task in mathematics, then please put it in the comment section below and I will try to address those questions. But next week, we're going to look at some concrete examples, how we adapt different mathematics resources into an authentic performance assessment task. So thank you so much for joining me again this week, and I hope to see you next time.